Okay, so I'm gonna make my slime now. Put green and blue to make a turquoise first. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix the green and blue together. Why is it already looking so good? Okay. So I mix that. Now I'm going to add the clear. It's actually not really turquoisey, it's just kind of green, which is interesting. Okay, so I've added the clear. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the purple, which is my last one. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't go brown. I thought it would be so good at the start. It's really bad. Okay. Now I'm going to add the green glitter. And the flower sprinkle things. Now it's looking really cute. Time for these. And I'm only going to add a little bit of this since I've already got a lot of stuff on it. Okay. And a little bit of decoration. All done. So this is my slime. I really hoped it would be like a blue purpley colour, but it just turned out green, which I don't really like that much, but let's take it out. So this is my green slime. As you stretch it, it becomes kind of clear. There's a lot of sprinkles and stuff. Yeah, so this is my slime. It's really stretchy actually. Quality is really nice. You can poke it really well. And yeah. So yeah, I'm done.